you ever tried logging into your X account and realized you just can't remember your password? Did you forget it? Or maybe it's been months since your last login? Don't worry, that happens to all of us. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your password and get back into your account quickly and safely. Stick with me, and you'll be back online in no time. Let's start by opening the X app. Once it's open, tap on Add Another Account to begin the recovery process. Next, X will show you several login options. You might see the choice to sign in using your Google account or Apple account, but for this tutorial, we won't use those. Instead, you can log in using your phone number, email address, or username, whichever works best for you. I'll be using my username, and it's usually a good idea to do the same if you remember yours correctly. Type in your username. Mine is Tutor. And yes, you can follow me on X if you'd like. Once you've entered it, go ahead and continue to the next step. Now X will ask for your password. Since we don't remember it, tap on Forgot Password, located at the top right corner of the screen. This is the option that lets you recover your account safely without losing any data. Next, you'll need to select how you want to receive your recovery information. In my case, X only shows my email, because that's the information linked to my account. Depending on your settings, you might also see your phone number or another login method. I'll choose the email option, and X will send a verification code to that address. Now exit the X app for a moment and open your email. Look for the message from X containing your verification code, then enter that code back into the app. Once it's verified, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Make sure it's something secure but memorable, something you can easily recall for future logins. After resetting your password, X may offer the option to set up a passkey, which allows you to log in quickly using Face ID or your fingerprint. This is convenient for fast access, but I also recommend writing your new password down somewhere safe, just in case you ever forget it. And that's it. Those are all the steps you need to reset and recover your X account if you forgot your password. If you found this video helpful and want more practical X or Twitter tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.